Myself Abhishek Kumar, Standard 7A. Today I tell something about soil erosion and soil conservation. First I want to say about soil. The uppermost layer where the plants are grow is called soil. Then after I will be said that soil erosion. The removal of natural things by the act of wind, water, floods is called soil erosion. There are many factors behind the soil erosion. First is rain. When the rain is coming from the mountain, continue 5 days 6 days, then after this mountain are very softly and break down into small particles. This process is over. And second, it is flood. The lot of water flowing from the mountain in pressure way, then it takes some particles of the mountain such as rock, soil, is called flood. And third is air. We also know that air have many pressure. When the pressure of way, in a pressure way, the air came into the particles of the mountain, then it disappeared, and displacement of these minerals from one place to another place is called air. Then after I say about soil conservation. Soil conservation. First we know that what is soil conservation. Soil conservation means to conserve the soil. There are many factors behind that of soil erosion. Soil conservation, First is rain. There we see that when the rain in coming of this planet, that is not break down into smaller particles, and it is not soil, that is not flow a form of soil, rock. It is fixed point because the plantation of tree are very strong, and it absorb the soil of by the root. It's called plantation of tree. And second is more and more plantation of crops is called their factor of soil conservation. Thank you for friends, and I especially want to say about thank you from Sabna ma'am who are give me this activity. Thank you very so much.